Yo, guess what, people? Guess what, my viewers? You know what is disheartening? You got a lot of guys. I'm from Jamaica, so I can speak about Jamaica. You have a lot of Jamaican guys that, they be in Jamaica, and a lot of women from different countries come down into Jamaica, see these strong, handsome young guys down in Jamaica, bring them up to their country, wheresoever they are from, and when they reach that country, for some reason after, they just run away or they disappear and leave that lady. Guys, you should stop that, man. If a lady come in Jamaica and see you, man, and take you out from Jamaica, don't come to America and then you change and the lady, you start to treat the lady like trash, treat the lady like a animal, just because you want to leave her. If you know that you're gonna leave her, don't let the lady take you from Jamaica and bring you in the state, man, because you don't know the damage that you do to that lady with that mental damage that you do to that lady, man. And a lot of you may get upset at what I'm saying. It's not only Jamaican guys alone that do it, but a lot of guys across the world, man. Not only guys alone, women do it also, but I'm talking about guys. Yo, if a lady come to your country, like you, marry you, let you get your green card and get your stay in the United States or whichever country that lady come from, yo, if you know that you're not gonna stay with the lady, man, yo, don't marry her, man. Don't wait until when you're reaching that country and you get your stay. You're gonna treat the lady like trash and then you're gonna leave her, man. We don't believe in that stuff. Don't do her that, man. They deserve better. All right, guys. A lot of you may get upset at me because of what I am saying. Don't get upset, because a lot of you know that it's true. You want to get a green card, or you want to get a visa, or you want to leave out of the struggle. I get it. A lot of us, want the opportunity to step out of the struggle. But the person that is taking you out of the struggle, don't put them into a mental struggle, man. If you know you're not going to treat them right, you need to respect the feeling of women, man. And I know a lot of guys don't really respect women. It's all about what they can get, vice versa also. But yo, don't do that to the ladies, man. All right? Bless up yourself. Jump into the video right now, people. Look at my balloon blowing away. Woo, thank God. Yeah. Dear viewers, welcome back to the channel, and we are back at it again. So yes, viewers, so guess what? This is what's gonna happen. Hold on, look at what's going on. I'm watering my hydrangea because the sprinkler is not giving. Hydrangea takes a lot of water to look nice and fresh, so the sprinkler is not giving it a lot of water, so I just connect on the garden hose and giving it an extra dose of water right here. Yeah, water the hydrangea, water. I'll let it run at the root for a minute. Let us talk for a minute. So this what's gonna happen. So we have property in Jamaica and we have property in the United States. Content that I make in Jamaica, I will be posting it on Manix Robinson TV, that is the main channel. And content that I make in the United States, I will be posting it on Alex and Max channel. So I don't want to be mixing up content like stuff that I do in the United States. I don't want to be posting it on the Manix Robinson TV channel or stuff that I do in Jamaica. So contents like these guys, my content that I make in Jamaica, the Airbnb property, what's going on and working on the house and all of those stuff. Yo, you can still check them out on the Mannix Robinson TV channel, the Mannix Robinson TV giveaway extravaganza. That will still be on the main channel. But as for stuff like these down by the Jersey Shore in the United States, I'll be posting it on Alex and Max. Alright guys, but guess what? Hear what's going on now. Look at my hydrangeas there, man. They are so beautiful. Man, unbelievable. Man, I'll tell you, the landscaping guys, like, we recently did some work on the lawn, you know, fresh grass and everything. So the grass look nice and green, people. You say it look nice and green. Yeah, so it look nice and green. I just recently planted this guy and look how he's running up on the tree already. Look at that guy, look at that guy, beautiful. Yeah, hear those birds? But look at this, people, look at this. These are my roses that I planted last year. I bet you don't guess and tell me what is causing my roses to be withering like this. The mulch. Yeah, the mulch. I don't know what they use to put in the mulch or what they mix it with, but when they sprinkle the mulch like this, when they were setting it, and when they were laying down the mulch, it's like they throw it on the roses and burn up their leaves, man. Look at that. Destroy, killing my roses, man. So I'm gonna have to talk to the landscaping company and let them know that, yo, next time guys, don't throw the mulch on top of the roses, man, because it burned them up. Look, those polka dot or those dotted spots, yeah, that's where the mulch burn it up, man. Yeah, so this one and this one, look at it, unbelievable, unbelievable, guys. And he only did that to the roses. That's the craziest thing about it. He only did that to the roses. Everything else is nice and green. My cherry blossom tree, look at my cherry blossom tree, guys, look at that. Look at my cherry blossom tree. Yeah, but look at this guy also, man. Look at it. It is dying, man. Look at that. Unbelievable. My roses are dying. So I'm gonna have to talk to the company and let them know, say, yo, you guys gonna have to either give me back, gonna have to give me some brand new roses or what, because it wasn't like this before, man, until they laid down the mulch, man. Crazy. Look at that. Unbelievable. But yeah, so it's like 4 of them. I have another one over that side also. It's the same thing. These guys came up nice. The mulch didn't trouble these guys, but they're coming up nice and fresh. This is my new hydrangea that I transplanted over here. This guy is hiding behind here. Look at him. Where are you hiding, guy? Where are you hiding? Yeah. Here the birds, guys, down by the shore, the Jersey Shore. I gotta fill up their bird feeder because they're hungry. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. I thought I'm talking to you about people. Beautiful. What's this? What are these? What's this? Are these mushrooms? Psychedelic? I wonder if these ones can make me feel psychedelic or high or something like that. That's what they call those mushrooms. Yeah. What's going on with them? But anyway, people, so we are heading into summer. I just recently found this guy out on the street. I think it was last year. I found him when I was taking a walk on the sidewalk and I saw it growing, like pushing up. I know it wasn't gonna survive, so I pull him out and I plant him. Look at this. Look how luscious he looks, man. Man, this sometimes is a typical example of our life. Sometimes we are in some situations, man, and we think it's the best until we move out of that situation and we start to flourish. So if you're in a situation and you're not flourish, yo, time to move, man. Yo, guess what, people? Guess what, my viewers? You know what is disheartening? You got a lot of guys, you know, I'm from Jamaica, so I can speak about Jamaica. You have a lot of Jamaican guys that, you know, they be in Jamaica, and a lot of women from different countries come down into Jamaica, see these strong, handsome young guys down in Jamaica, bring them up to their country wheresoever they are from, and when they reach that country, for some reason after, they just run away or they disappear and leave that lady. Guys, you should stop that, man. If a lady come in Jamaica and see you, man, and take you out from Jamaica, don't come to America and then you change and the lady, you start to treat the lady like trash, treat the lady like a animal, just because you want to leave her. If you know that you're going to leave her, don't let the lady take you from Jamaica and bring you in the state, man, because you don't know the damage that you do to that lady with that mental damage that you do to that lady, man. And you know, a lot of you may get upset at what I'm saying. It's not only Jamaican guys alone that do it, but a lot of guys across the world, man. Not only guys alone, women do it also, but I'm talking about guys. Yo, if a lady come to your country, like you, marry you, let you get your green card and get your stay in the United States or whichever country that lady come from, yo, if you know that you're not gonna stay with the lady, man, yo, don't marry her, man. Don't wait until when you're reaching that country and you get your stay. You're gonna treat the lady like trash and then you're gonna leave her, man. We don't believe in that stuff. Don't do her that, man. They deserve better. Because a lot of you know that it's true. You know, you want to get a green card, or you want to get a visa, or you want to leave out of the struggle. I get it. You know, a lot of us, you know, want the opportunity to step out of the struggle. But the person that is taking you out of the struggle, don't put them into a mental struggle, man. If you know you're not going to treat them right, you need to respect the feeling of women, man. And I know a lot of guys don't really respect women. It's all about what they can get, vice versa also. But yo, don't do that to the ladies, man. All right? Yeah. But look at this one. It's the same thing with this one, man. This the mulch did that. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah. And they were laying down the mulch. They sprinkle it, like, you know, to get it around it, and that's what happened, man. It burned it up. This is my next hydrangea. You see how this one is pink and purple and rare. Yeah. And the next one over that side, I think it's blue. Yeah. This one is it's more. What color is this? Is this blue or purple? I don't even know colors. Yeah. But yeah, so anyway, guys, let's see what's going on. I gotta paint even these stairs, man. Unbelievable. Look at that, guys. This comes from the salt. Yeah. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. This is the pollen right here. You see? This is pollen. You see that? So it's like a sheet of pollen is everywhere. So yeah, so I'm gonna wash it off with the hose, and then I'm gonna see if I can bring down the cushions them out of storage, put them out, and see if I can start set up the front porch. Yeah. Sometimes I don't like sitting on the during the day I don't like to sit on the front porch, because you know we have a road come across, so sometimes I don't like to hear the traffic, so sometimes I will sit on the back porch just to get a little peace and quiet. But like during the night when it's not that busy, I will come out and sit out there and just relax. Yeah, I gotta also clean up the garage, man. Got the garage pack up, man. Look at that. Unbelievable. I gotta clean up the garage, guys. Yeah, pack up my wife's shoes, kids' shoes, my shoes, Ray's shoes, everything. Yeah. So guys, look at this. So, you know, we recently. So guys, look at this. So, you know, we recently over the main channel, Manix Robinson TV. We have a thing going on over there named the Manix Robinson TV giveaway extravaganza every Saturday in June at 7 p.m. We had 2 big winners the other night. Yeah, congratulations to the pair. And also Carlet Reynolds. Yeah, they won those 2 frying pots right there, non-stick frying pans. And these guys will be the next thing on the agenda. A 3-piece mixing bowl and a 7-piece kitchen set. So look out for that, guys. Look out for that. This is the next big prize that is going to be taking place over there on the main channel. I will drop the link in the description over there on Manix Robinson TV. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. There's a lot of stuff going on over there on Manix Robinson TV. We'll be also doing some blessing some elderly folks in Jamaica with some care bags. Elderly folks in Jamaica with some care bags right there. You can see it right there. That's it right there, guys. We're still working on it. This is just a sample of what we're working in right now. We are gathering in some toothpaste. We want to get 50 or 100 toothpaste, deodorant, body wash, shampoo, toothbrush. Yeah. Want to bless some elderly folks down there in Jamaica. So that's what we're doing over there on Manix Robinson TV. All up no stuff working on, people. Don't want to jump into all of that one time, but that's not what we're talking about today. Gonna see if we can wash off the deck. Cause holy, oh come on, those. It's a lot of, what you call it? Lot of pollen. So take out the hose. I don't really want to turn on the power washer right now. Guys, because the power washer are gonna make too much noise. So we just gonna use the hose. You see it? Yeah. We're just gonna use the hose and wash off the pollen, and then we're gonna take out the cushions them from out of the attic and put them out. You see it right here. So I got to little shades them right just to give a little privacy same way. You see it. And sometimes you sit down on your porch, you don't really want nobody knows you sit down on your porch. You see it. So I install these guys to give you some privacy. Yeah. But we just turn on the hose right now and wash off this deck. Alright? Stay tuned and watch what they go on. Big up yourself, Peart, cleaning with the Pearts. Big up yourself, Blacks Jamaica, Blacks TV. Yo, Bush lad, big up yourself. Know how we go. Jolicia, big up yourself. Shernet Griffin, big up yourself. Marcia Baker Ministry, big up yourself. Yeah. M. Morgan, big up yourself. Life with Deandra, big up yourself. Yeah. Yeah. See it, people. Wash off the pollen, you see it. Roll it for pollen, you know. So, wash it off. This, as a power wash the siding, but as you say, for the least, you don't do that right now, people. You don't do that right now, just this you are dealing with. Yeah. blinds them, the shades them too. That's the guys, I'll be doing my day-to-day life down by the Jersey Shore. I will be posting it on Alex and Max channel. Yeah. And stuff from Jamaica, I'll be posting it on Manix Robinson TV, the main channel. You know? Yeah. So we do it, people. Even these guys are not following them, tell them. Yeah. State right now got a massive layer of pollen, like sitting down on their property, sitting down on the outside furniture, so I can't really have it like this. And then let the kids them come out, come sit on it, because you know the kids them are allergic to it. So I have to, not only the kids them, me and the wife are allergic to it also. So we have to wash it off before I put out the outside. Like put on the cushion then, you see, because the kids them love being out here. Yeah. So as you can see, I let down my what you call them? My shades there. This one I have taken it down. It's in the attic. So I'm gonna go take it when I'm getting the cushion. I'm gonna take it down also and put it up with these two guys right here. So as you can see, you know, you see where I'm talking about. You kind of see where I'm going at with the shades. Shade out the sun. And it's also shade out the heap of eyes, because sometimes you want your privacy, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Don't joke about it, people. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so that's it. So I'm gonna let it dry a little, and then I'm gonna go get the cushions. I'm gonna go get the cushions out of the attic. Let them get a little sun, dust them off, and then put those guys out here. I love this thing, my wife bought it. It's nice. I didn't take it off for during the winter, I just leave it out here. Let me see. Let's see what is in this box right here. Oh, I got my shells. My shells that I keep on my little thing right here. Yeah. These guys right here, I brought them up from Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, here they are right here. Nice, beautiful conch shells that I brought up from Jamaica. Yeah, beautiful. So normally I just put them right here on a nice flower pot or a little kind of decoration just to let the place look beautiful. Normally hang out my roses, my hanging flower pots also, but I didn't pick up none yet from Home Depot or Lowe's, but I may get it this week. Yeah, this one also. It seems like the birds them make no nest this year. I wonder why. What's going on, birds? Yeah. So what, stay tuned. I'm gonna see if I can go up in the attic. Guess what? Let's go in the attic. Yup. So this is the attic, guys. See how my attic look chaotic? You see how my attic look chaotic? Gonna have to straighten it up. We have Christmas tree, Christmas ornaments, Christmas decoration, wrapping paper, suitcase. Man, Man, these guys over here used to go down to Jamaica for the Airbnb property. You see it? You see all of them something here, people? All of these fancy stuff that you see right here is for the Airbnb property. So we got little beach chairs them. When the visitor them want to go at the beach, then jump in at the truck and we take them to the beach. You see it? So check it out, guys. Manix Robinson TV. Yeah? Buy up the stuff them for the Airbnb property. You see it? We have beach chairs them. You come into Jamaica, we're not gonna rent you. As long as you book a stay at the Airbnb, you can get your beach chair coming at the rent. You see it? So don't worry yourself about renting a beach chair when you come down there. You get a beach chair with your rent. And if you stay at night, you get a beach chair where you can chill out with. Not to take with you, you know. It's for the duration while you're there, but you return it back to Manix Robinson. You see it? We got a couple more of them over here. So see them where? See them people? See? You see what we are talking about? Also, if you are coming with a family and you want a little stroller, you get stroller. You know, you don't have to pay if you rent a stroller CMA for your kid. It comes with the booking. You see it? So you come with a kid, you get your stroller. You want to go to the beach, your beach chair. You see what I'm talking about, people? That's so we do it, you know. See, all of this stuff then we got them ready to send down for the property down there in Jamaica. You see how these stuff look luxurious? You see them? You see these luxurious lamp stand and light stand and shades and pots and carpets and rugs, and you got your slow pressure cooker, rice cooker. Watch out this now. You see how this look good, people? And then these are the features that you're gonna get in your room in the Airbnb too, you know. And also if you bring in kids and you bring in your kids and your kids them want to feel at home, your kids them also gonna get toys to play with up by the Airbnb. You see what I'm talking about? See there, people? No joke about it. Check out the main channel, people, Manix Robinson TV. But you know what? Enough long talking. That's not what I came up here for. I came up here for the cushions them. See them here? These are the cushions. Yeah, but I got to straighten out the place so I can get them out. Yeah, whole heap of beach chair paper for the property in Jamaica. Look at that. Think of chatting you deal with. Oh, we don't come on YouTube to play, you know. We come on YouTube to bring exposure to the main goal. Alright? Some people think that we come on YouTube to fight for them with subscribers. We don't come on YouTube to fight with YouTubers for subscribers. We have a greater goal, people. But see them, yeah? The cushions them. We are going to put them out. Yeah? Bam! Down there, sir. One more, two more. Bam! Alright, people, so stay tuned as I clear out these guys. I will get back out to the main porch or the front porch. I will set out them cushion here. Alright? Woo-wee! Yeah, people, so we just take out all of the cushion them, you know. So here they are. We're gonna see if we can bring them out there, so dust them off and put them up on the porch. Alright? Make we sort them out. This is the next shades or privacy screen. Yeah, so we'll put up this stuff. Guys, you love me, what on? Yeah. Yeah guys, so we're gonna see if we can take these guys off now and set them up. Bless up yourself cleaning with the beard. Continue to put out the content, my sister. Alright? So we do it. Alright, here, so. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, nice, right? Beautiful. I'm gonna put up the next, I call it privacy screen. People call it a different name what they call it, but I call it privacy screen. Let's go right over here. What is it, people? Yeah. So I'm gonna have to get some flower pots with those lovely flowers, hang them up in those baskets right there. Yeah, these guys right here, put them in there, let them hang. Yeah, and when here is dry, I'm gonna put out the patio mat. Yeah, and that will be it. Tell me how you like it so far, guys. How you like it? It's nice, right? Beautiful. I like it. I like it. Nice and beautiful. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So this is what I wanted to do this morning. Wash off the pollen. Put out the cushions. I'm gonna have to brush them off a little. Yeah, and I accomplished what I set out to do this morning. Nice, beautiful. I love it. Yeah guys, yeah, thanks for tuning in one more time, guys. And yeah, as I said, I'll be posting content like this on Alex and Max. Look at my balloon blowing away. Oh, thank God. A balloon was blowing away, guys. Look at that. What? Stay right there. The balloon was blowing away. Let me close on the garage door. Thanks again for tuning in one more time, guys. Respect, blessed love every time. Take care of yourself. Thank you guys for supporting. Balloon blowing away. Oh, thank God.